how to use the Toniebox, and action!
Okay, grown-ups, listen up. We're here to show you how the Toniebox works. It's so easy.
To play, pop the Tony on the Toniebox.
To turn up the volume, you squeeze the big ear.
Turn it down again, squeeze the little ear. Easy squeezy. To stop, just take the Tony off the Toniebox.
To skip tracks or chapters, just tap the side like this.
Tap it, skip it, got it.
And to fast forward or rewind, then just tilt it to its side.
Nice job.
There are hundreds of Tonies to collect.
Songs, stories, creative Tonies.
You can even get your family to record stories or songs just for you.
It's story time. I'm going to tell you a story all about
It's so cool, but how does that even work?
I know. Grown-ups just use the My Tonies app to record stories or songs and add them to the Creative Tony.
Hey! No screens on set!
Did we mention that the Toniebox was screen-free?
And tumble-proof.
Tonies are perfect for bedtime. And playtime.
And breakfast time.
Nap time.
And quiet time.
Pretty much any time, really.
That's a wrap.